Aluminum profile sandblasting process. First, the operator puts the aluminum profiles on the shelves at certain intervals. Next, it is automatically sent to the sandblasting machine. High-speed compressed air spray stainless steel sand on the surface of aluminum profiles, so that the surface of aluminum profiles forms a frosted texture with temperature reflection. At the same time, sandblasting can remove oxidization, layer soil, dust, or small burrs on the surface of aluminum profiles to make the aluminum profile more even. The machine lifts up and down to shake off excess residue, and aluminum profiles will be neatly placed. Finally, the workers will remove the profiles from shelves, and the next process will be carried out after passing the test.